Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate the different ways of accessing the variables inside static methods in Java. So let's get started. There are two ways of accessing the variables inside static methods. One way is by creating the object for the class in which the variable is created. The other way is by specifying the static keyword before the variable itself to access it inside the static methods. Now let me practically demonstrate these two ways for you. I'll first open this Eclipse IDE. Here we have a sample project already created. Inside this, I'll create a new class. I'll name this class as demo class and I'll add this method public static void main. It is a static method, guys. This main method I am auto generating here is a static method. So this is static method. Now let me create a normal variable. Say int a is equal to 5. Okay, this is a variable. This is a general and normal variable. Now I want to access and print this variable inside this static method. Okay, so what I have to do, I'll write the statement like this: system.out.println. I'll simply try to print the variable a. But if you see here, you are getting an error. Okay, cannot make a static reference to the non-static field a. Okay, since this variable is not a static type, you cannot access such kind of non-static variables inside the static methods. There is a rule, right? Static methods can only access static stuff. Okay, the variables or methods that we are trying to access inside the static method should be also of static type, otherwise you'll get this kind of errors. So what is the way then? Okay, now this variable is a normal variable. I cannot access it because this is a non-static instance variable which is a non-static type. Okay, so I cannot access here, but still if you want to access, there is a way, guys. The way here is I need to create an object for the class in which this variable is created, that is demo. So like this, I'll create an object demo is equal to new demo. This object creation statement for the demo class, and using the object reference I can access this variable. You see, system.out.println demo.a. Using this object reference of this particular statement, I am going to access this variable a. This is one way, guys. Okay, even though this variable is not a static type, it's an instance variable, we can still access inside the static methods using the first way, where we have to create the object for the class in which this variable is created, and using the object reference of that particular class, we have to access like this. Now run this code, it will work. You're not getting any error anyhow. Let me run this code. 5 will be printed in the output. You see, the 5 got printed in the output. What is the other way then? If I don't want to create an object, okay, if I don't want to create an object for the class in which this variable is there, then you are going to get an error, right? You cannot print as it is because this variable is a non-static type, that is instance variable, which we cannot access directly in the static methods. So what is the other way? The other way is we have to specify the static keyword before this variable. We have to make this variable a static type. Then the static methods can only access the static stuff. Since this variable a is also static type, you are able to access. This is the other way. Either you have to create an object if you don't want to make this variable static, or you have to make the variable static and access directly inside the static methods. These are the two ways. What if I want to access this variable from outside this class? For example, I will remove this static, guys. I will remove this statement for a while, or I will comment this statement so that I will not get any error. Let's say public class demo is there and this variable is there. Let's say only this things are there in this class, demo class with a variable a. Now I'll create another class, say demo2, and in this I'll create this static method. Now I want to access this variable which is there inside this class. How to access? The first way is, again, we need to create an object for the demo class. In this main method of the demo2, we have to create an object for the demo. Demo is equal to new demo. Now using this object reference, we can access the variable a, system.out.println demo.a. Okay, you see I'm able to access even though this particular variable is inside a different class. I still can create the object for this demo class, and using the object reference, I can access the variable A. If I run this code, if I run this demo2, you see, 5 got printed, right? We are able to access. What's the other way? Let's say this variable is a static type. In this case, do I have to create an object for the demo class to access this variable A inside this another class? Do I have to create an object for this demo class? No. If it is a static type, then we can directly access using the class name. How? System.out.println demo.a. That's it. You don't have to create object, guys. Okay. Static variables can be accessed using their class name in which they are created. For example, this variable A is created inside the demo class and is of static type. Then you can use the name of the class in which it is created to access it. You see, like this demo.a. You don't have to create the object. Now run this. It will work. It will still print 5. So hope guys, you understood the different ways of accessing the variables inside static methods in Java. So that's it guys. Thank you. Bye.